And I said, oh, I'm blinded by your light. This song uses 4 chords. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. I'm going to teach you the original version so that you can play along with the radio. However, if this is a little difficult for you, there is an easier version, or there is an easier way to play that. So you could play that with chords D minor, A minor, C, and G. Just repeat these chords for the whole song, and what you can do to sound exactly like the recording is grab a capo, put that on fret 3, and then you'll sound like the song. I just know that not everyone has a capo, so I'm going to teach it in the original version with slightly more challenging chords. Okay, so our first chord is F minor. To make F minor really fit, bring the hand all the way up to the top. The index finger should be up here. You should pivot. And then keep the pinky where it's at and give me a C minor. If this is uncomfortable for you, then you can do a little bar with the index finger. I find that putting the thumb on the back and squeezing really helps. So that's a little bit of a bar chord. But I really do like keeping the pinky where it's at, pinky ring and middle, because the next chord is E flat, and I can have the index finger ready, and all I have to do is lift the pinky. So C minor to E flat only has 1 string difference, so it's a really nice transition. And then our final chord is B flat. This is a bar chord. You can bar the entire first fret or just the 2 strings. I like just barring the first 2 strings over here closest to the floor. If you really struggle with B flat, I recommend that you try doing this shape first on the 5th fret and then work your way backwards. And do this little exercise like every day, even if it's just 30 seconds a day. You'll notice a big difference in your strength, and you'll be able to play B flat in no time. Alrighty, our strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Twice for each chord. So, I'm blinded by the lights. We're going to play a little bit slower just because we're learning it, but I just wanted you to hear it in action. So let's try it. Let's try going through the entire chord progression. 2 strumming patterns per chord. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, down, up, down. Switch. Down, up, down, up. Switch. Switch. Okay, let's say that was hard for you. Then what you can do is just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, switch, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and it will still sound beautiful, and it gives you time to switch. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, you got this, go. F minor, ready, go. E flat, B flat. Now we do have one little baby change, and it's that in the pre-chorus, as we're building up to the chorus, we won't play the B flat, so we're just gonna do a no chord a cappella section there. So let's try it. 1, 2 from F minor. 1, 2, 1, 2, you got this, go. C minor. E flat. And no chord. Bum, bum. Ready, go. And that's it. You've learned the whole song, but let's play through the chorus just for fun. And before we do that, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And let's get ready. Drop the shoulders. Make sure you're not crunching them up. Drop the shoulders. Roll them back. Breathe. There we go. That feels different, right? 1, 2, chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. I'm blinded by the light. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. F minor. I said, oh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, with one I trust. Hey, just for fun, add a chuck. The chuck is that little thing I'm doing, and the way you get a chuck is it's just regular down strum, but instead of just coming back up, what you're gonna do is you rotate the hand to silence the strings and just speed that up. And a chuck isn't supposed to be pretty, it's supposed to be kind of like a choke of your instrument. And it's on beats 2 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blinded by the night. Now I can't sleep until I feel your touch. If you want a dedicated tutorial for the chuck, I'm gonna link it on the card on the screen so that you can jump over there. And then once you're ready, jump back here and work on the song some more. I think if you work on it 3 days straight in the morning at nighttime, you'll be able to master it in like no time. 3 days, that's it. In this video, I've been playing the solid mahogany ukulele from Enya. I'm going to link this one down below because it's all solid top, back, and sides, and it's a beautiful sounding instrument. If you are looking for an instrument to upgrade to, I would definitely recommend this one. It comes with accessories and a gig bag and all the bells and whistles, so I will link it down below. Definitely a recommendation of mine. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to see more popular music, let me know in the comments below. And I'll catch you in the next one. Sayonara.